Hi friends, today we're going to do an activity that's going to help you with your muscles because we want you to stay very healthy. So if you notice, I have two socks, and usually you will use them to put them on your feet, but today we're going to use them to play. Alright friends, so you're going to take two of your socks, you're going to put them side by side, then you're going to roll the bottom one time and then roll it again. Once you have it in a little ball, you're going to put your finger in one of the holes, and then you're kind of like going to reverse it so it looks kind of like a ball. Alright friends, we're gonna do a throw-in activity so you can exercise your muscles. So if you notice, I have one container here and I have another container here, and my goal is to throw the sock in one of these. Alright, let's see how I do. More socks over here. All right, let's see if I can aim it to the black one. Yes. All right, here we go. Oh no, missed. Oh, all right, let me try the last one. And yes. All right, friends, so this is a good activity for you to try at home with your throw-in. So try it out at home, and remember, you cannot wear the socks after you have used them to play. And remember to wash your hands after you do this activity. All right, friends, love you. Bye.